All right, so what we're gonna do here today is Project 7. Project 7 is hook up this GPS module. This is the GPS G-mouse, and that's just wrapped. There's a bunch of cables that I wrapped around here, and it's plugged underneath here to the Raspberry Pi. We're just gonna stream down both the video as well as the GPS signal down to my laptop. All right, let's hope this works. What we have here is the video output, and here is the GPS, and you can see it moving, and I can see things. There we go. There it is. All right.